Hey, what's up everybody? For today's video here on Help Guy, I'm going to teach you how you can add PayPal account or your PayPal account on your Temu as a mode of payment and how you can use this as well. So we'll do this by going into their support center. So just scroll down, go to payment pro and promos and then select payments. And then scroll down here, you can see how can I add my PayPal account. So, according to Temu, you can add your PayPal account at the checkout section of your Temu profile. And then in the checkout, so you need to initiate the checkout. And then under the payments method, you can just simply click PayPal and then remember PayPal account details. So just input all your details, all the necessary details of your PayPal, and then click submit order. And afterwards, your PayPal account will instantly be added as a payment method on your Temu. Now, another interesting thing, if you want to remove PayPal, it's very simple. So you just click on edit right there, go to again, checkout, click on PayPal and then select edit PayPal account, and then just click remove. And that's it. Now, if a transaction didn't go well, PayPal may occasionally prohibit a buyer from submitting payment to a merchant through PayPal. So for this one, you may need to directly contact PayPal's customer service. But yeah, if you want to add your PayPal account on your Temu account, just simply go to checkout. So you need to initiate the checkout and then click under payments method. Just click on PayPal and then remember PayPal account details and then submit order. And that's it. Hope this video was able to help you out. If it did, please don't forget to hit the like and of course the subscribe button as we will be posting more tutorial videos only here on Help Guy.